Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe please. That will help me a ton. In today's video, I'm cleaning the landing, the entrance area to my apartment. I've accumulated so much like clothing, paperwork, name it, is a mess, and I'm gonna do some laundry as well and keep me company. Guys, this tidying up is overdue. This landing is the place that you get to see when you come in, and is imperative that is always picked up tidy. But when you record it for YouTube, I had some parcels that came through. Of course, I bought with my own money, and I had to make fashion videos and stuff, so I bought loads of things. If you haven't watched my everything £5 try on haul, go ahead. It's a great video, and make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. Yes guys, I'm just here picking up all these stuff that I've accumulated in the corridor, and then I'll do my laundry as well. And I've got some home interior that I bought some decoration items just to update the space a little bit. Yes guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll speak to you guys in a bit. Guys, it's just incredible how clothing clutters the house. I've got wardrobe up on wardrobes. I'm trying to select everything literally, because it just gets to the point that I can't cope, yeah, the clothing gotta go, is way too much. And I'm a fashion girl at the end of the day, but I think I overdone it throughout the years, and it's so painful to just let it go. So many brand new items. I give it a lot to charities, and I open the business on eBay, Depop and so on. But I think I bought more than I actually sell them, but yeah guys, trying to sort this out. The clothing is my main issue. Comment down below, what's your main pitfall? I've got this desk here, it's packed with fragrances, and I've got some more in my bedroom. You can see I'm addicted to fragrance. It's actually a beauty desk, but I made it as an office. Got a laptop here, but I'm gonna declutter this here. Guys, I do like fragrance bottles if they look very exquisite, something very different, very nice. However, they can look a bit cluttered really, if you have like loads displayed. So I'm going to put it away in my bedroom, and it's better preserved in a dark place anyway, so under the light where it is at the moment is not the right place to store fragrances. Showing you guys here this pink spray. Actually I was surprised, it cleans the glass, also mirrors very well without leaving stripes and stuff, so very good, very impressed. And the smell is quite pleasant too, and it was just £1. And I bought my second spray bottle from eBay. Yeah, so really impressed. Guys, if you're new, thank you so much. If you enjoy these type of videos, make sure you subscribe. I know my channel is varied because this channel started with the fashion and hair. I had a baby 10 years ago is when everything started, but I had stopped for nearly 8 years. I just returned again, and the game is fierce. Okay, so it's very different to what it was YouTube many years ago in the beginning, and your support is everything. Please subscribe, leave your like as well. That will help the channel getting to be seen by more people. Thank you so much, guys. So my loves, I went to B&M and also TK Maxx. I got this gorgeous picture, guys. I fell in love with it. The price was incredible. It was £10, a tenner. Can you imagine? So cheap, like. I just thought that was a bargain. And I got this little area rug from TK Maxx, and yeah, it's very fluffy, very plush. I mean, just so great to walk on and amazing. Love the grey. I'm in love with the grey again, and yeah, I'm just showing you guys there how fantastic it feels as well. So guys, I'm gonna hang the load that I did last night, the dark colors, and yeah guys, I am here dancing. I think it's because I had the COVID vaccine and my arm is absolutely hurting, and I was just trying to test if my arms could lift it, you know. Guys, I popped into Wilco as well. Stay tuned, I've got a video coming up, been shopping and I've got some home decor, like it's like a tour of Wilkinson Wilco, but I bought those pegs, and yeah, I thought it would be just ideal to hang my clothes with, because I thought with this rack you don't need it, but I find there's so many items, like so many things were on the floor in the morning. Yeah. I'm here washing my area rug, you know, those fluffy ones bought from Primark that everyone has got, that rug, and I had to do in the bath because I don't, you know, I live in a tower block, and you know, I went to check the price with dry cleaners. It was £15, and the rug didn't even cost me 12. So I'm doing that in my bath. I was a bit grossed by it in the beginning, but I see so many people washing their dog. Yes guys, a lot of people wash their pets in the baths, so washing my airy rug shouldn't be a problem really. Just want to get to that white, crisp white, clean color again. It's so satisfying. So babes, now it's time to hang my beautiful picture. Love this picture so much. I could pay £30 for it. I would have paid it that amount, honestly, because he's just gorgeous, so feminine. I mean, and he's fashionable. I think he's very prominent. I mean, he's opulent to me. He's just gorgeous. Let me know what you think. And it was only tenner from B&M. Amazing. Guys, I'm really hoping that you're getting some motivation behind these videos. If you're watching this type of videos, it probably relaxes you like he does to me. And when my house is completely trashed, it does get trashed sometimes, it gets messy. I have to watch motivation videos in order to get that fire and start cleaning. I hope I'm helping at least one of you. So babes, we are all done in the landing. We are all done. Tell me, how do you like this picture there? I think it looks lovely, and every work as well looks fantastic. Yes guys, thank you so much. If you lasted until the end, thank you very much, and do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'm trying out my rug, love it. It's so fluffy. I mean, it's very comfortable. It's just amazing to walk on. Nice. Thank you guys once again. Go and watch my other videos. Until next time, take care. Bye now.